to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you class 4 science chapter 1 food making in plants. Food making in plants. We are known to all plants are most important to us. The food that we get or we eat directly or indirectly by the plants. Green plants is making their food present in sunlight. The process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means that is photosynthesis that means photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means together. That is photosynthesis. If photo means light and synthesis means together. So green plants make food. The process of photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. Where photosynthesis is proceed, green leaves. Now let us structure of green leaves. First, let us structure of green leaves. I draw a leaves. I draw a leaf. A leaf. So what? It is leaf. Leaves are flat, broad and colorful. Which color is this? Green color. Which color is this? Green color. This is green color. Is that clear? Yes. Leaves. Here is the mid portion. Is that clear? Here is the mid portion. That is one type of tubes. Is called mid ribs or it is mid ribs or mid veins. Mid ribs or mid veins. Mid ribs or mid vein. Clear? It is mid ribs or mid vein. A one type of tube and many tubes are emerged from mid ribs is called vein. Both side veins, both of them, this side and this side is called side vein. Side vein. Is that clear? And it is called blade. It is called blade. Between two side veins is called blade. Which blade? Leaf blade. And it is the portion of leaf apex. Leaf apex. Is that clear? First of all, leaves are broad, flat and green color. It traps. First of all, the tubes like mid portion is called midribs or midvein. Whenever the midribs emerge many veins, both sides is called side vein, and the flat portion is called leaf apex. Leaf apex. Is that clear? Whenever in laboratory a slide or a leaf is in under the microscope, then we observe the color is green. Color is green. Many of cells says color is green. Why is green? Green is chlorophyll. Green for the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. Chlorophyll it is green pigment. So the leaves are shown green. Is that clear? Yes. And other thing is that means whenever water, minerals or water vapor, carbon dioxide or oxygen taking up and taking out, then up continent is stomata. Stomata opening few minutes. Whenever they are seen in the microscope, lower cells very minutes, lowest cell few minutes opening is called stomata. And one thing each is opening is called stoma. Stomata and stoma. Whenever the function of tubes are two types. The function, according to function, tubes are two types: xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. What is the function of xylem and what is the function of phloem? Water and minerals carry water and minerals. Xylem is carry water or minerals to the leaf, and phloem the making food that we carry another part of this plant. Xylem is carry water and minerals, and phloem is carry the plants making food in other parts, distribute in other parts. Is that clear? Next one, stomata. Function of the stomata. Function of the stomata. Function of stomata or stoma. Number 1, stomata helps in exchange of gases, taking up, yes, good, carbon dioxide, taking up carbon dioxide for making food, and take away or taking out oxygen for humans and animals, The function first of exchange of gases. Number 2, stomata helps water exchange. Whenever xylem is carry away water from soil by the roots, and excess water give away from the leaves, by water vapor. So second is exchange of gases. First one exchange of gases, and second one exchange of water in the form of water vapor. Exchange of water in the form of water vapor. Is that clear? How plants make their food? How plants make their food? How plants make their food? Green plants, that means green leaves. Yes, green plants make their foods present in sunlight and chlorophyll by using water and carbon dioxide. Where? In leaves. Green plants means green leaves, not on plants. Green plant means green leaves. Green leaves or green plants making their food presence of chlorophyll in leaves and presence chlorophyll and sunlight. Sunlight means sunlight by using water and carbon dioxide. How? Draw a picture. This is stem. It is stem and roots. Okay. Sunlight from sun by carbon dioxide. Where carbon dioxide? By air, water, soil by the help of xylem. From soil by the help of xylem in roots, air, water, underground water by the help of roots and xylem. So water, carbon dioxide means CO2. Carbon dioxide, there sunlight Here chlorophyll, there water. Is that clear? Leaves are container, like leaves, like a container. Carbon dioxide from air, sunlight from sun. Here leaves, then here chlorophyll and water by roots. Help of xylem. By roots, help of xylem. Total processing is called photosynthesis. Whenever the photosynthesis is make up food, this food is called glucose, like as sugar. What is produced? Glucose. Glucose like as sugar. Yes, sugar. Again, I explain how will form glucose by the help of leaves. Carbon dioxide from air, sunlight from sun, water from soil by the help of roots. Chlorophyll is in leaves and form glucose. A process can be written as, this process can be written as carbon dioxide plus of water, presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Carbon dioxide from air, water from soil. Chlorophyll is in leaves, sunlight from sun. Form, this process is called photosynthesis. And how will form? Glucose plus oxygen and water vapor. Carbon dioxide from air, water from soil, chlorophyll is in leaves, sunlight from sun, and form glucose, oxygen and water vapor. Do you know glucose? It is a like of sugar. Is that clear? Glucose stored in leaves or plants. This food is distributed. This food, that means glucose. This food or glucose is distributed to the all other parts of the plants. This process can be written in another form as in OIS. First of all, what is CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and second thing water. Water means H2O. Is that clear? Yes. Presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Chlorophyll, sunlight, what is for? Glucose. Glucose means C6H12O6 and yes, oxygen and water vapor. Identify them. This one, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, yes, this is water, it is glucose, that was oxygen, and it is water vapor. Sign is evaporation. It is sign of water vapor. Water vapor. So, first of the carbon dioxide plus water plus glucose, oxygen and water vapor. How quantity is for 1 gram or 1 unit glucose? 6 unit carbon dioxide, 12 unit water, 12 unit of water and for 1 unit of glucose. And same, how many units of carbon dioxide? 6 units of carbon dioxide. Then release oxygen, same unit. Release oxygen, same unit. Same unit. Is that clear? Then 6 carbon, yes, oxygen, hydrogen, 12 into 2, 24, here 12, then 12, 24, yes, 6 multiplied 2, that means oxygen 12 and 12, 24. 6, 12, 6 and 12, 18 and 6, 24. Is that clear? So, this is the balancing form of photosynthesis. This is the balancing form of photosynthesis. 1 unit of glucose is formed by 6 unit of carbon dioxide, 12 unit of water. Presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is formed 1 unit of glucose and release excess water vapor of 6 unit and same unit taking away of the carbon dioxide in the form of oxygen. Is that clear? Yes, good. Now discuss about how plants use the food, how plants use the food. First of one, uses of their food. Uses of their food. Number 1, uses of their food for their growth, to growth, to growth. That means little plants after many years become big plants. how it is possible? Because of uses of their own food, of their own food. So to growth. Second, to repair or to repair their cells. That means repair the cells. A little plant become big, little plant become big plant. Then to repair their cells and cells. Then after many years, the little plant is becoming plants. Third one, for producing new plants. For producing new plants. New plants means for producing new plants. New plants means seedling, stem by flowers. So the for producing new plants, the excess food is stored by the form of starch. So we are getting fruits, seeds, leaves. It is made up by plants. So the excess food is stored in future use. In future use is called starch, and starch is form of leaves, roots, stem, fruits, seed, etc. Is that clear? I hope you will understand this topic, food making in plants. First of one, what is photosynthesis? Next, structure of leaves, xylem, phloem, chlorophyll, stomata, how make foods, and uses of their own food. Okay, I will teach you remaining part in this chapter next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.